Gio. Hirap ba sa'yo ng pangalan mo, ewan ko? Nag-Apex Legends Ace. Namamaril siya. Kasama niya si Yuji. Si Yuji nasa kwarto, no? Lasang soup. Thank you, Card Peso. Shoutout sa'yo. Thank you sa pag-share ng live. Share nyo sa lahat ng group, no? Sa mga auto buy and sell, mga gano'n, no?
Patay ko ba yung isa? Ano yung ano na, masakit talaga mag-headshot ako yung dilaw. May na ako. Ready mo kaya, Aldi?
Hope y'all liked it. Once again, I want to give a special thanks to Smule and share a couple of things about the app. Smule is actually the world's
Wait lang.
social network for music.
Yung corn soup, lasang corn. Ba't gano'n? Medyo weird. Packet na si Grab tsaka si Fusion, no?
So if you want to sing a duet with me, you can actually go to my page and check out my performance with James.
Luto ka ng ganun. So kung may ko
Make
sabihin
sure to
sa
share a link with me on social media with this hashtag.
Hana de Guzman, hello.
So download the app and sing
Yung mga di pa nagpo-follow sa page, no, don't forget to follow and like the
Luto
page.
ka na to. Sabuhin mo.
Share nyo live. Mas okay if naka-public
Hindi
din.
nga tayo, patuloy mo. Okay na kahit Nord lang.
Then my AP going psycho, no mama bad like Michael, can't really trust nobody. All this jewelry on you, my bitch look like an ocean. Diamonds by the board, I'm with the Tony Romo, clowns and all the balls, so I tell that 4-5 to 50, 100 bands inside my shorts to Chino the shit. Try to stuff it on him, but he don't ever.
Boom! Triple kill! Basic. May tuturo akong trick sa inyo kay Martis. Tatanging tayo lang ang nakakaalam at mga nandito sa live. Easiest triple kill of my life! Na basican?
Wala, makakabay na ganyan siya na.
Dito ata sila. Sabi ko na nga ba, no? Okay lang ina mo talaga, Alice. Chupapi! Pinagtataga sila ni Martis, mga kachupapi. Paikot mo na ng soup, pampalakas. Lasang corn ng soup. Dahil corn soup siya. Medyo gago tayo dun. Thank you sa mga nag-donate ng stars at ng kanilang liver. Mabenta nyo cake ninyo para mapag-donate kayo stars. Ganun ang kalakaran dito. Dalisay. Nandito sila. Wala, di ba? Nasikam po kayo. Naniwala naman kayo. Thank you sa mga star donators natin dyan. Donators, no? Alam mo lang. Oh, shit! Sup. Oh, fuck! Oh? Pinagkakaisaan tayo nitong dalawang to. Ayaw tayong palagan kapag may araw. Mga rapists. Ang re-rape pag magdilim. Papa-corn soup tayo dito, no? Pag umabot ng 1K views, papa-corn soup ako sa lahat ng viewers. Pagluluto ko yung corn soup.
Gago, may tutok na nga ako eh. Tayo tagmala.
Ano, Helgert? Ano na? Ganyan ka na lang ba?
May pa na ako yun eh.
Paparmin muna natin yung Blade of Despair natin. Tutang mayaman na tayo. Lamang tayo ng 1,000 gold.
Maganda pala mag-CSGO muna yung si bago mag-CSGO.
I-public niyo yung share nyo para may sharer batch kayo.
Pwede nga. Kasi dalawa lang tayo lagi.
Ayoko siyang flickeran eh. Baka masayang lang kasi. I think it's not worth it para mag-flicker in ako sa kanya. Tsaka wala pa akong Blade of Despair.
Girl, I just wanna take you home. Get right to it. You know I gotta get it now. Give it to me, baby, inside and out. I just wanna make you feel like I do. Want you to scream and shout, baby, when I'm deep in love. Now I'ma slow it down, 'cause ain't no speed limit. When we're moving at the speed of sound, we gon' turn all the way up for the lights down. Know you're looking
Mukhang gusto
so
kasama
Depende kasi to eh.
put the thing up, baby, wanna
Really, mukhang good.
I'ma go crazy, put your hands in the air. Ain't nobody getting in the way. You know I kinda like it when you make me work for it. Now you're looking good in them high tops. Bring it on.
Discount dito na sila.
See some more. Make it bounce like boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka.
Ba't ganun siya magsalita?
Nobody watching us. No eyes but your eyes. Ain't nobody here but you and me. We in this private party, 'cause I know you love your privacy. You don't need to show me you
Shit.
Puntahan ng trap yan.
Utang ina mo! Na-silence ako! Di yan, wag yung tang.
I know what you wanna hear, baby. I'ma get right to it, you ain't gotta wait.
Uy, try mo na.
Play everything. No love and don't
Okay. Higop muna tayong soup habang tayo patay.
It's fine, baby. And it's alright, 'cause you're mine, baby. Cause I'ma let you get crazy. Are you looking good in them high tops, girl? Bring it on over here, wanna see some more. Make it bounce like boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka. We don't need nobody watching us. No eyes but your eyes. Ain't nobody here but you and me. We in this private party, 'cause I know you love
Kayo, di?
privacy. In them high tops,
DJ.
girl. Bring it on over
Tayo?
here, wanna see some more.
Ilan?
Make it bounce like boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka. We don't need nobody watching us. No eyes but your eyes. Ain't nobody here but you and me. We in this private party, 'cause I know you love your privacy. Yeah.
Mabango pa ako sa'yo, no, kahit di ako maligo.
You say you got a man, girl, it ain't me. If it ain't me, you ain't got a man. You tell me he's reckless.
Oo, meron.
Know that I'm jealous, getting all of your love, just don't get enough, girl. You need a real man. Hanging out the back all over your life. Like, is you out with him? I don't wanna know that. Yeah, I don't care long as you here by 10:30, no later than, so I can tell your man what do you want. Your girl is your girl, but man, your girl's gonna be mine soon. Your girl tells her girl she wants to be mine too. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday.
Ang bibilis yung tamakbo, no?
Maybe I could just slide through the weekend. And when that Monday comes, I'm a new man. So pack up all your things by next weekend. Yeah. You couldn't do one day, so she just went my way. Now I got it covered every weekend.
Hanggang pa may kalaban pa?
Tell me if you're in the mood for a little bit
Ako na yatap siya.
No worries, I got you on the weekdays too. 'Cause I know you need way more than less tempo. You want me on us.
Papasokin mo na?
Monday.
Kasha.
I'll be at your door, ready to
Tang
take
ina mo, Saber, where you at?
ready to give you what you've been missing every day.
Hello kay Kati. Hello, Anya.
10:30, no later than, so I can tell your man what do you want. Your girl is your girl, but man, your girl's gonna be mine soon. Your girl tells her girl she wants to be mine soon. Tuesday and Wednesday,
Wala na?
Thursday and Friday.
Asan?
Maybe I could just slide through the weekend.
Kasi wala akong flicker.
Let the pack up. Wait.
So pack up all your things by next weekend. You couldn't do one day, so she just reminded
Isa lang yun, naka-knockdown lang.
Map-hack. Madami na rin naka-map-hack. Meron na itong mga naka-map-hack dito, Haze. Pinakita ni Framesy.
Ewan ko ba?
O gago, pinakita ni Framesy.
You don't know, baby, when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing.
Pili pa lang itong bawang to.
And it don't change if I
Kaso baka balik.
Walang makunat sa marami, no?
you would know that you are. Oh, you're the coffee that I need in the morning.
Sa akin ba o sa'yo?
Sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna
Yes, meron kaming group. Pandi ko, sali kayo if you want.
you